everyone, my name is Divisha Upadhyay. I study in 7th A class. I am telling about spoken English classes. In the beginning, I really did not know how to explain my introduction and communicate in English. But in the guidance of Mr. Praveen Sagar sir, I can translate Hindi to English and introduce myself in English. This class is very amazing because in this class we learn many things in English. In the higher class, this is very useful for every student and young man or old man also. Mr. Praveen Sagar sir tells us the importance of English, and he makes practice of our and make videos and send to our parents, and our parents are very happy, became happy because they want their son or daughter learn English, and their impression will be made. And he teaches us, he does not only teaches us spoken English. In spoken English, he also teaches us body manners, sitting arrangement, sitting posture, eating manners, and good manners also. I like this language very much, and now I can easier to communicate in English. And before the Mr. Praveen Sagar sir, everybody talks in Hindi, but used to talk Hindi, but after training of Mr. Praveen Sagar sir, we talk in English and make impression of our in all the school. Every student talks in English. I like this language very much. Thank you.
My name is Harshita. I study in class 7th A. Today I am telling about my favorite subject. My favorite subject is science. It is a very interesting subject. It makes us wise and aware. It gives us every small detail of the things. It allows us to know about our physical world. This subject is very good. I like science subject.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavyanjali Chaudhary. Today I am telling about my picnic. I like visiting very much. My father takes me to new places. Hello everyone, I visited many places like Udaipur, Chittorgarh, South India, in Tamil Nadu, and in Kullu Manali. In Kullu Manali, this place is very beautiful. I go there. In Rohtang also there is a snowfall. I make a snowman also. This snowman is very cute. And I go in Kullu Manali in Hidimba temple also. It is also very nice. There is a roses is very beautiful. I go Mall Road in Shimla. This is also beautiful. There is a Hanuman's statue on the mountain in Mall Road. There everything is available there. I click photos there in Kashmiri getup. And in Punjab, I will go Amritsar. It means Golden Temple also. This is made up of gold. This is also very nice. There is a langar on 24 hours every day. We go Wagah border also. This border is in India to Pakistan. This is also very nice, and I see in Chittorgarh's fort there is Padmini's fort, Vijayastam, etc. Many forts are there in Chittorgarh. This is historical place. And in Udaipur, I will go Rajiv Gandhi Park, in Saheliyon Ki Badi, in Biological Park, and in Water Park, and Celebration Mall, and many places I will go. In Rajiv Gandhi Park, there is a fountain also, and there is many statue of animals, and this is very beautiful. And in water park, in Marvel Water Park, Rajasthan's biggest water park is this. There is many rides to takes. I like this water park very much. And in Celebration Mall, it is also very nice. And in Biological Park, I will go with my friends from school picnic. There is many animals are there like lion, leopard, tiger, wolf, etc. I like visiting very much. Thank you.
My name is Fianshi Tak. I study in class 6th. Today I am telling about my future plan. I am planning for my future. I want to be a doctor because doctor saves people life. I want to help my country's people. I will help needy people without with charging fees. I will take biology subject. I will take 12th standard. I clear NEET exam. I will clear NEET exam for a great government college. After completing my college, I will internship a good hospital. When I will become a good doctor. This is my future plan.